Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be reviewing magnetic eyelashes. So ever since I tried magnetic eyelashes, it's been easier for me. I will demonstrate right now. I just removed my lashes and I will put it on. Magnetic eyelashes, guys, did you just see how I removed it and I put it on? Yes, they are the go-to. I will also show a little mini video on the right or the left hand side of me applying my makeup to record and how I applied the magnetic eyeliner and put it on. Like as I'm talking, I will be demonstrating either the right or the left. So today I will be reviewing Silk Magnetic Eyelashes and it's by the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I will leave a link of this magnetic eyelash description box down below and you can get a 20% off the overall purchase with my name Ativo20. So these are my favorites go-to. When I say favorite go-to, unlike the traditional old days where you basically are struggling with the glue because the glue is not sticking, you stick it on and it pulled back and so on and so forth. So it has three beautiful different styles and it comes with the eyeliner. This is the eyeliner, this is the magic. So basically instead of you using your eyeliner, this is black. This is your new go-to eyeliner and this is a magnetic black eyeliner. You draw your eyeliner, then you stick your lashes on as I demonstrated on the right hand side or the left hand side of this video. You just stick it on. It's that easy. And what I love about the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique is it gives you three different styles. You can see it gives you three beautiful different styles. What I have on is the style 020 and previously in my videos I had 016 and the 0112 is the more of the natural looking for. So those of you that like more of the short natural lashes, this is for you. 012. Those of you that like a bit thick and a bit voluminous, this is for you. 016. And those of you that like it long but not as thick and fluffy, 020 is for you. And that's what I have on today. And I have 20% off for you guys, which is my name Ativo20. For 20% off your entire purchase. You will thank me later, guys. You will thank me later. These are my favorite go-to Silk Magnetic Lashes by Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. So hope you viewers did enjoy this video review slash mini tutorial of how I apply my Silk Magnetic Lashes whenever I am doing my makeup. I'll see you viewers in the next video. Stay blessed.